Big and small, big and small. Elephants are big, but ants are small. Tall and short, tall and short. A giraffe is tall, a bunny is short. Opposites, opposites, come and sing with me. Learning opposites is fun as fun can be. Happy and sad, fast and slow. Let's sing some more, come on, let's go. Hot and cold, hot and cold. Ice cream is cold, tea is hot to hold. In and out, in and out. I go in the house, then I run out. Opposites, opposites, come and sing with me. Learning opposites is fun as fun can be. Up and down, left and right. Opposites are everywhere in sight. Day and night, day and night. The sun is bright, the moon is white. Open and close, open and close. Open the book, then close it slow. Soft and loud, near and far. A whisper is soft, a train goes. Clean and dirty, wet and dry. Let's clap our hands and reach the sky. Opposites, opposites,